Howdy, I'm Karen from Karen on Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Latvian twist, or a twisted cuff for a nice decorative edge. If you have a pattern you're following, you'll want to use the numbers in your pattern, but for this demonstration I have cast on 30 stitches. I want my twist to be 5 stitches apart, so that gives me a multiple of 5. I have also worked 3 rows in garter stitch, so knit every row to prepare for this twist. So the first thing to do is to knit 3 stitches. I'm going to put them 5 stitches apart, but I'm going to do 3 on this edge and 2 on the other edge, so there's no twist at the end. So knit 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then comes the twist. You can twist in either direction, but you want to make sure that you are consistent in which direction you are twisting across the row. So I'm going to show you how to twist. You're going to use your left needle and twist toward you. So you actually take your left needle and you give the work a twist like that. And you can see right there, you've created that twisted edge. Then you need to lock in the twist. So you knit along some more, again 5 stitches for this demonstration, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now it's time to twist again. So make sure you are twisting in the same direction you started. So I'm twisting toward me. So you are just taking that left needle and creating that motion where you are adding a twist in the yarn. Knit 5 more. 4, 5, and just to show you what it looks like, I'm going to twist going the other direction, and then I'll twist back and twist going the correct direction for this demo. So if you were going the other direction, you would twist away from you. So you would actually just move the work away from you. But I'm going to twist it back, get the straight edge again, because for this demonstration I am twisting toward me, so everything is consistent. So I've created that twist, and I will keep doing this across the row until I have 2 stitches left. So now I have 2 stitches left. I need 1 more twist. So again, I'm going in the direction toward me. So twisting around all the way, and then knit those last 2 stitches. And I now have a twisted edge. So you can see how it adds those little twists every 5 stitches. Whether your project is flat or in the round, you will work this twisted edge flat. Don't try to do this with your stitches already in the round. It'll create quite a huge mess with your yarn and with your needles. So work it flat no matter which way you're going to continue the knitting. If you are going to continue working flat, then you can just continue with your work. If you are going to knit in the round, you will need to join to knit in the round. Most likely that will require you to move the stitches to double pointed needles or circulars or whatever your method is for knitting in the round. One note there, because you have worked a few rows flat, when you join to knit in the round, you are going to notice that there's going to be just a little bit of a gap right here at the edge. So all you need to do is in the end, take your tail from your cast on edge, and when you weave in that tail, just sew those 2 edges together and you will close that gap. But you can see it's got a nice decorative edge right there.